Hi guys, this is your DIY mechanic. Today we have a Toyota RAV4 2009. Just want to quickly show you guys something on this car. This car has a starting problem. The key system is bad, so we tried removing the key system, which already I've removed. But what I really want to show you guys is where the immobilizer device is located. I don't really know why Toyota did that, but probably because it's part of the safety system. We had to remove the whole dashboard. The dashboard is out. Look at it here. This is the dashboard right here. I placed it here. Some parts of it are still down there, just because I want to replace the immobilizer device. The immobilizer device on this Toyota RAV4 2009 is located behind the evaporator. I don't know why they have to do that. This is where it is located, down here. I hope you guys can see it down there. That's the socket. I've removed it from the socket. That's the socket down there. This white stuff there. Yeah, that's the socket. That's where the immobilizer device is located. So in case you're looking for where the immobilizer device is located on the Toyota RAV4 2009, that is where it is located, behind the evaporator. I don't know why they have to do it like that, but it made the job a very tough job to do, but thank God we've done it. So if this video helps anyone like that, please like, please subscribe and share. Until next time, take care.